Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Tesi Nazar and I'm back with another case study. This case study was already uploaded by me a few days back and I promise that I will be sharing the solution. So here is the solution of this particular case study, that Hotel Paris, the new training program. So there were three questions. Let's start with the first question and then its answer and solution is also given. Based on the training and development chapter, what do you suggest Lisa and her team do first with respect to training and why? So as per the case, Lisa and CFO has already done the evaluation and there is a need of strategic training in order to meet the goals of the organization. They need to recruit efficient employees and train them accordingly so that the hotel aims are being achieved. Also, they need to work on instructional designs so that the training can be effective and more productive. So in this particular question, I have like recommended to design the presentation and check out that either their employees are being properly trained. So they can start with by trying or validating this particular training on 2, 3 employees so they get satisfied and then they can implement on the rest of the employees. So their focus should be on making the training more transferable so it would be easily understood and digest and learned by all the employees. So the training should be in such a way that it should be more precise and to the point, and it's easily being welcomed by the employees. So Lisa should not directly no should not directly jump to the conclusion. She must and should explain things to the worker in small pieces or chunks, you may say, so that they can easily understand that what is the purpose of this, why this training is really important, and then they can go through the whole plan. Also, in my opinion, they should also opt for on the training job technique. That's basically through coaching or understudy, in which they specify about the nature and those skills that needs to be implemented. I believe through this, CFO and Lisa, whatever they had planned for the employees can be better achieved. And that could be a good way to go. The second question of this particular case were, have Lisa and the CFO sufficiently investigated where the training is really called for? Why? What would you suggest? So yes, exactly. Lisa and CFO is basically Chief Financial Officer, has investigated sufficiently, and there is evidently clear need of training. As they already have mentioned that recruitment function was not that much proper and it was unmanaged. The previous HR managers were not that much effective and he was not doing anything properly in terms of HR orientation, employee recruitment. So that's why now this particular firm or hotel is in trouble. So we need to go with important recruitment sources, like what is like the qualified applicant position selection test should be good one. What are the different sources? What are like the appropriate strategy? What our competitors are doing? And then we can follow and implement a training program. Because we know as from the HR background, till the time your hiring is not that much good or it's not up to the mark, the people who you will be bringing your organization who would be part if that is not done properly, so definitely in the end there will be problems that the organization has is going to be faced. So it's better to go with the right hiring strategies. So this is basically the thing, that we need to go with the employees, those are higher, these are effective, they are according to the desires of the company to fulfill the needs and provide services to customers even before they're asking. Because this is the whole industry. This is all about you are managing, how you are doing, and how you are growing your businesses into profit. And then definitely your employees will be satisfied as well. So they should keep on asking for the feedback from their employees as well as from their customers to avoid any misunderstandings or haphazard, because their employees are their assets. If they are well, they are being synchronized, they are being taken care. So definitely the rest will things also go in a better way. Last question was like based on this chapter, and or you may assess the web, develop a detailed training programs of one of the hotel positions, security guard, housekeeper, or valet, that's two person. So I have chosen the training program designed for the security guard, and how we are going to do that. First of all, needed an analysis, then prepare the training, which were our steps as well, make our instructional design, followed by validation, implementation, and evaluation of the program. So first of all, we need to do the need analysis, like what exactly a security guard required, what is the proper job or task he requires or what he is lacking. So we need to identify like what exactly that how he need to maybe use the weapon, or how if there is a threat, how he has to call, how he has to like manage, how he has to like greet all the people. So all these things comes in. Then comes training. In terms of training, so in terms of preparing the trainee, we need to prepare our candidate, that's our security guard, and briefly educate him what his tasks are, like what are the day duties care, night duty care, what exactly he has to do, how he has to accompany if there is a threat, and how he has to go along. Tell him he must how to operate arms, guns for self-defense. Also, he have to like how overall he need to be motivated and focused. So again, preparation by the person is really mandatory, because till the time he's not prepared, he's not well known according to his particular job, he can't be trained. Then we need to design an instructional design, make an instructional design, like present the operation, create the content, focus on like how the training would go on, what are the important aspects of that. Like for the security guard, educate him. Okay, fine. This threat comes in, how you have to deal, what are the security exits, how you have to vacate the hotel, how you need to manage the people, how you have to maybe greet the people, where is your CCTV monitors are installed, how they are being examined. If there is something happening or robber comes in or something, rumor spread out about any bomb or something, that how you have to deal with the situation. So these are few of the aspects we need to manage as an overall from that point of view. Then we need to validate the training, like maybe we can prepare this training on 2 or 3 experts, or ask them for their feedback, and then we can actually implement it. So through the implementation, because the security guard, again, he's working in that particular field, we can see that how much effective that is. Either it's resolving the queries or whatever the matters comes in. So we can have the actual feedback, or actual like how many we can get the idea that either it's applicable or not. And lastly, we can evaluate the program, like either that thing is successful, whatever we have trained him, whatever we have tell him. So either that being all the things are being addressed or not. So this is basically the gist of the case study. That's like the new training program for Hotel Paris. So that's it. Thank you everyone for tuning and joining us. Do subscribe my channel. Take care of the office.